Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena. And if you're feeling a bit disconnected, this is a simple and gentle practice to come back to yourself. So roll out your mat and let's begin. So let's just come standing on the mat, closing your eyes or having a soft gaze on a point. Taking one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. Just take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more deep breath in. Breathe out. Allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in one more time. Breathing out, relaxing your hands by your sides. Feeling like you've arrived on the mat. Just being here, nowhere to be, nothing to do. Just focusing on you for these next few minutes. And gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. And while you're standing here, just feel yourself more grounded. Feel yourself becoming present. This is the only moment you have. So just check in with yourself and see how you're feeling. And as you're moving in the class, just let go of anything that's not serving you right now. Just for these few minutes. You can go back to it later. Let go of it like clouds on a sunny day. Breathe deeply, move slowly, and gently go at your own pace. So we're going to roll down slowly as we breathe in, and now breathe out. Taking your hands to your knees or your thighs. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine. Look down. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine, look down. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine, look down, and then you're just going to come down. Maybe your hands turn to the mat, or you might be here. You might even want to hold your shins, just pedaling your feet, just feeling that connection. Breathing deeply and then rolling up vertebrae by vertebrae, raising your hands and just coming back, and then bringing your hands by your side. Let's roll down again. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out. Roll down again, all the way down. Breathe in again, breathe out, come back up, stretch your arms and take your hands by your side. Now let's take our legs wide, taking one leg in front, back leg slightly slanted, stretch out, breathe. And we focus on purpose, we take care of ourselves. It's really good. Bend that leg, stretch, and then come to the center. Breathe in this time. Breathe out, stretch up, and then calm down slowly. Breathe in, calm up. Slowly stretch your hands up. This time, let's take our hands, let's come over to the other side, stretch your hands, focus on what's going to work for you, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So stretch and breathe. Let's take our legs to the center, breathe and stretch up. And again, breathe out. You're just going to roll down slowly. Now you might want to hang here and just move from side to side. Just moving slowly, focusing on your breath, stretching the legs, and then bringing your feet together and maybe letting your head hang here, allowing a beautiful stretch on your neck, your back of your legs. You might want to take your hands behind your ankles or your calves, just feeling a stretch, pulling yourself towards the legs as much as you can. And then now coming again, vertebrae by vertebrae, stretching up. And then taking your hands to your heart, bringing your feet together, taking a breath. We're going to roll down again, breathe in, stretch up. And this time, as you come back, you're just going to sit back like you're sitting on a chair. Stretch your hands, look in front of you, focus on the point, because what you focus on is where your energy goes. Taking your hands back, breathing in and looking up. Let's do that again. Going back, sitting down on the chair, taking a breath, breathing out, taking your hands back, bringing them up. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in, coming back, sitting on the chair, taking your hands back, bringing them up and stretching up. Keeping your hands here now, stretching, maybe bringing your hands together or having them by your side. And we're just going to come over to one side. Now, if you can't bring your hands together, have them like this, or you can just have one hand down, and you might just have one hand sliding down on the side and the other hand in the air, like that. Just stretching, coming to the center. Stretch up as you're breathing, and let's go over to the other side. And let's come to the center. Now we're going to do a gentle back bend. So we're going to take our hands down, breathing in, breathing out, and you're just going to come back as far as you can, bringing your hands to your forehead and then to your heart. Just taking a moment, you've moved your body, you've reconnected to yourself. Take a breath and remind yourself to take a breath, to come back to yourself. Your breath will always bring back to yourself. Then gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Hope you enjoyed this short moving practice to reconnect to yourself. If you know someone who's feeling a little bit lost, disconnected, moving the body helps you to reconnect to yourself. So do share this class with them. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.